Um, Hello guys. I'm really creeped out because I saw this laying on my couch and it's heavy, like something's in it. So I'm going to be cutting this open today. And it's also been weird because it's like in the side of my eye, I see it like this. Like, I don't know. So I'm going to be cutting this thing open to find out what's inside. So let's get started now because I want to see what's inside right now. So, so this is this fur. Okay, I see some stuff in here, but let's just close my eyes and see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing that's inside. Oh, my lip gloss and my bracelet. I was looking for this. I wonder what it's been. I gotta wash it off because it's contaminated. Okay, okay. You can. Ew, his organs. And then we put this back inside. There's something. I feel something. My Play-Doh. Let me see what's inside of this Play-Doh. I don't know whose Play-Doh this is because it ain't mine. It's not mine. Looks like it's been played with. And ew, look, it got hairs in it. It's not mine. Let's see. Some more stuff in here. Elsa pencil. Wait, this is my Elsa pencil I used to make the squishy in the paper. I meant the squishy. Go check that video out. But this. Ew. More cuts. Okay. My marker. How did this get in there? This paper. Samuchi. I don't know how this is. It's like a razor. I don't know what this is. A razor. Dogs use razors? It's not mine. My marker? I don't know how this stuff is getting in here. Some of this is mine. Slime. Wait, hold on. Is this his guts? Ew, it's so wet. Guys, it's slippery. It's slippery. It must have been in his guts. Ew. Is this his guts? Ew. Ew. Oh, look inside of it. Ew. This. Oh, guys, I need to go wash my hands. I need to go wash my hands. This is disgusting. The freak. Yeah. Okay, guys, I washed my hands. This is disgusting. I think this is his guts. Yeah. Let's see what else is inside. More stuffing. Guts. My marker. I don't know how this stuff is getting here. Let's see if there's more. See if his head is on his head. Nope, nothing but guts. Yeah. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, bye. Guts.